Dan and Jassy.
Tomorrow's Halloween! Let's make Halloween slime for my friends!
What?
Let's start with one of my favorite, gluing slime. It's so fluffy! Oh, so pretty. It's everywhere. It's now turning into slime. Slime! Oh, I love it. Look. Now let's add some spiders. Whoa! The first one is ready. Now let's make some monster slime. Aja! The monster slime, it's working. Let's add some eyes. Now let's mix. Blue slime is ready. It's like that monster from the cartoon. The eyes are looking at me. Dun, dun. Please help.
Uh-oh.
Look at me. Do, 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 do. This actually is pretty. You know that purple is one of my favorite colors.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Our monster slime is ready. What should I do next? I know. Let's make clear slime with spider confetti. Ooh. Hey guys, if you want to watch more of my videos for Halloween slime, don't forget to subscribe for part 2.